Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting tech video. Today, I am going to tell you how you can use portrait mode in Snapchat in your iPhone, so let's start the video. This feature in iPhone is introduced in iOS 17, so first we have to go to Settings, then General Wall, then Software Update, and check that software is updated or not. If it is not updated, then update it first. After that, you have to open Snapchat and select any filter of your choice. Now, slide down the notification panel and you can see the effects option. Tap and hold on this option. Portrait mode appears here. Turn on this mode. Now, whenever you click photos on Snapchat, it will also use as portrait. You can see I have taken this picture with Snapchat. And it looks like it is taken by portrait mode camera of this iPhone. So by this way, you can use portrait mode in Snapchat. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.